Hello, happy kids! Let's playing beads together. Look at that! I just finished preparing my meals. Should we do some kind of kitchen tour? Let's see what we have each item in here. Let's start. In here we have some gimbap slices, white rice, butter, some herbs and condiments. Let's see what we have up here. We have stove, kettle, a pink mug, a sunny side up egg toast, a fresh lettuce, a blue plate, a pink saucepan, an upside down mug, a bowl of spices and herbs, seaweeds or nori, basil, rosemary, and mini flour for the vibe. Let's see other items we have here. This frying pan used for frying and browning foods. In here we also have a pile of beef meat. We have another type of mini protein too, like crab stick and meat in a can. These are cheese slices. Here are some tomato slices. Shallots. Not only these foods look cute, I find them really tasty. Cannot forget these beautifully sliced bread. Oh, we got another cute flower too. We have finished introducing these foods and stuff. What should we do next? Don't forget to leave a comment. I know, let's prepare some food for lunch. Let's make a lunch for us together. Let's start. What do you want for lunch? Which one do you prefer, savory or sweet meals? Let's choose savory for today. Let's start with nori. Let's put some rice. Let's put some toppings. Let's choose the mini proteins. This mini size protein. First, sushi. Second, sushi. Let's choose the last topping for the last sushi. Third, sushi. They all look super delicious.
Yummy!
In here we have tamago sushi and beef sushi. Let's collaborate sushi with gimbap. Let's put gimbap with sushi. They both are black and white, seaweed and white rice. Let's add more gimbap. Three sushi and two gimbap. Let's make it even. Let's add one more gimbap. Yeah, now we have 3 sushi and 3 gimbap. What should we make next? Let's put some fresh herbs. What a beautiful combination! The combination between gimbap, sushi, herbs, and spices are so colorful and appetizing. Let's make 2 options for lunch menu. So let's make a delicious sandwich. Here is the flat yellow plate. The first layer is a single slice of bread. Let's move the bread. A beautiful sunny side up egg toast. It looks so good, but we need to remove the egg first before adding more fillings. A toast and a single slice of cheese. Which filling should we put next? One slice of shallot. Let's put more protein. Yummy and healthy. Can't let the egg alone. Let's put the egg too. Delicious. I think we have enough proteins and fillings. Let's put another slice of bread again. Yay, the big sandwich is ready to eat.
Yummy!
Do not forget to say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim first before you eat or drink anything. The sandwich is so scrumptious, but not just about the appearance and taste. It's also healthy and nutritious. Before we're eating both of them, let's add more protein, a buttery one. Let's make a buttery steak. First, slice of butter. Second, put a sliced halo meat. Third, heat that up. Fourth, wait until it's golden brown. Fifth, when it's done, then it's done. You can eat it right away. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet again in another video.